This is a nice little box. I wonder what's in it. I don't know. Let's see. I don't know. Can you see that? Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh. Oh. Let me see. What's this say? Oh, Hexohm 3.0. Hexohm 3.0 30 amp beta red. Oh my. 189 bucks. For my friends at Craving Vapor, thank you very much. That's it. There's nothing else in the box. Get rid of that. Comes bubble wrapped. It's red. Got a red button. Wow. Oh, look at that. There's some swirl marks there. Oh, look, no serial number. What? What? No serial number? Nowhere on here? Holy crap. Did they really ship them like that? Same clicky button, same potentiometer. Here's the inside. I got no ribbon. There's our on-off switch. Craving Vapor, plus and minus. Nice copper contacts here. Black screws. Looks like a blow molded, not 3D printed sled. Oh. So there we go, folks. And there's only magnets on the door, nothing on the box. It's definitely got a top and a bottom. See the bottom there? It's got that cutout. Oh, they both ends do. Look at that. Okay. Well, that's 3 minutes of your time unboxing Hexohm 3.0 beta. No serial number. Pretty awesome. Thank you.